Hi, my name is Simran and I am a Senior Innovation Fellow at TSIC. TSIC stands for Telangana State Innovation Cell, which aims to foster innovation-driven economy in the state of Telangana. We have begun the applications for the third cohort of TSIC, and thus I am here to share my experience with you and also to answer all your questions. TSIC was set up in the year 2017 and is headed by the Chief Innovation Officer of the state. We at TSIC work on 5 focus areas. First, startup innovation. Second, grassroots innovation. Third, innovation in media and communication. Fourth, innovation in government departments. Fifth, innovation at school level. Every year, new set of young innovation fellows like you join us at Team TSIC, whose work revolves around implementing programs and yielding results on the basis of these 5 focus areas. There are various advantages of being a part of the TSIC fellowship, like you get to facilitate the systematic change by working with the government departments. You get to experience the Telangana innovation ecosystem. You get an opportunity to implement programs and also understand the concept of ownership and risk taking. You get to explore various other innovation ecosystems across the country like MSINS, which is Maharashtra State Innovation Society, and Kerala Startup Mission, and many more. Also, you get to choose your mentors during any program you implement at TSIC. Those mentors can be from within the Telangana state, they can be from across the country, and also from outside the country. Now I'll highlight some key initiatives taken by all the fellows in the past. One of them is the Government Mentor Program. The Government Mentor Program focuses on giving mentorship to all the startups who come up with a solution to the problems given by various government departments. The other initiative is the Intenta Innovator campaign. So we came up with this initiative in the year 2018, that is when the first cohort existed. The main reason for coming up with the Intenta Innovator campaign was that we wanted to publicize and talk about all the innovators which were already existing in the state. We wanted to give them a platform where we can feature them, we can talk about them, we can tell the audience and the people of Telangana about the talent which existed in the state. We started with the campaign by featuring innovators in 3 categories, that is student innovators, grassroots innovators, and young innovators. Every Wednesday we used to feature a student innovator, every Thursday was meant for a college innovator, and every Friday was meant for a grassroots innovator. Soon after, when we started featuring them, we did get a lot of response on our social media, and that is how we got to know the strength of social media in today's time. In no time, we gave our innovators a lot more media platforms where they could talk about their stories. That is how we also started with an initiative which is the Intenta Innovator Speaker Series, done in collaboration with TGTF. Other such initiatives involve the Startup India Telangana Yatra, which was done by the central government but was majorly supported by TSIC. Today, a lot of TSIC's initiatives fall under the umbrella of Intenta Innovator. One such initiative was the Innovation Utsavam, which was done on the 5th formation day of the Telangana state at Necklace Road. Other initiatives which come under the umbrella are the 15th August celebrations, which were done in every district of Telangana, where all the 33 district administrations participated with the team, which gave an opportunity to every innovator from the district to exhibit their innovations at the parade grounds in the district. To know more about our initiatives, please check our website on teamtsic.gov.in. You can also visit our social media pages on Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn with the name Team TSIC or Telangana State Innovation Cell for daily updates. Being a Senior Innovation Fellow, I have been associated with TSIC for the longest time. I joined TSIC in the year 2018 as the part of the first cohort and was mentored by the then Chief Innovation Officer, Mr. Phanindra Sama. My team and mentor taught me a lot and changed me as a person. I entered TSIC as a young postgraduate from Delhi, ready to embark on a journey of self-awareness. TSIC gave me an opportunity to understand the innovation ecosystem, to learn from the mentors and leaders in the society, and then to act upon it. I believe I was lucky that I got mentorship from Funny, Ravi, Dilip sir and Brigadier Ganesham during my fellowship. It is rightly said that your experiences make you grow. If you too want to experience how it is to be an innovation fellow and the life of an innovation fellow at TSIC, come join us and be a part of the third cohort. The applications are open till 10th May 2020 and you can apply on our Twitter page and also by visiting our website at teamtsic.gov.in. In case you have any other specific questions regarding the fellowship, please write to us in the comment section below. And also, you can write to me personally at simran.tsic.gov.in. Thank you.